Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. First thing for our scrambled eggs, I've got 6 eggs in a bowl here, and then I'm going to get a good pinch of salt and then 2 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to whisk that just to break up the yolks. You don't have to stress about it too much. We want to do this first because as the salt's going to interact with the protein in the egg, and it's just going to help as the egg cooks, keep it nice and creamy and lovely. Okay, so while that's going to sit, I'm going to cook an onion. Great, so I've just cooked the onion over a medium heat for about 5 minutes. So when the onion's going translucent and soft, you don't want it to get too brown. I'm going to get my bacon in, so that's 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces, or about 4 small slices. Great, so when the bacon's browned a little bit, I don't worry about cooking it too much. I'm going to get my eggs in, so we're on a medium heat. I've got 6 eggs. And then I find for scrambled eggs, you either want to stir it a little bit or you want to stir it a lot. So I like for these to stir it a lot, so you get like really fine, creamy curds. Just stirring it, keeping it moving in the pan. So after a couple of minutes of constant stirring, when the egg's kind of forming curds like that, you want to get it off the heat. And then I'm just going to stir in 50 grams, so like 2 ounces of grated Parmesan. And you don't need it to melt in too much. And then I'm just going to divide it between the egg mixture between 2 plates. And actually I'm probably going to serve it on a bed of baby spinach. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.